Good day, folks. This device is or been in water, so it's water damage. Just remove the screws here. You can see that there is water there. A evaporation happened. The device is not power on. You can see the water. I can see the water there. How would you like to focus? Autofocus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the board. This is water damage. There's water here. I'm going to use this lighter fluid. You can use thinner for cleansing. Let's check the battery if there's voltage or power. The battery has 4.1 volts. That's okay. We'll check immediately the keypad. You can see it's greenifying. Why the cell phone can't focus quick? Look at that. It's very wet. Look at this one here. Or you can't focus. It's very wet and it's starting to aciditate. I don't know what I'm using terms there. I really hate this not focusing. So let's try to power. And there is no, oops, there is power. There's power, folks. But it died. Let's do it again. It dies. So I'm going to reheat this thing. It's not short circuit. I tried to look the LCD. That's also wet. I think it's stuck. Yeah, there. Nopes. I think that's okay. So I'm going to install this. I'm sorry, but I forgot this thing. Why you did not tell me, guys? One, two. The two is not functioning well, and the other pad, the other side here is not functioning. One, no, it's not functioning well. It's grounded, and it's stuck. Very low lights. I'm going to do it again. Some reheating. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just hang. Need to reheat more. Well, let's test. I get a vibration. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's really positive now, guys. That's okay. There's some tunes here. The OK is in the center. Profile. Option, edit. Edit. sounds okay. 1, 2, 3. That is okay now, guys. It's ringing. I'll cancel. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and that's all for today's video. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.